Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to sign out of YouTube account on your phone. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our YouTube app and then click your profile icon right here on the bottom right corner. And then after that, click this icon right there, click the account, and then click manage accounts. And after that, click your account that is connected to YouTube right there, and then click this remove account right here. So click remove account, and then click this button right here. And once you do that, you will now be signed out on your YouTube account on your phone. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.